it's Jeta and welcome to part one of this cleaning series. So part one is going to be cleaning all of my revision stuff from GCSE, like all of the school stuff, going through my desk and also that set of drawers over there, and basically just, yeah, cleaning that. Part two is going to be my wardrobe, going through my clothes, getting rid of loads, and also doing some online shopping for like new clothes for sixth form. And then part three is the most exciting part, which is my bookshelf. So I'm going to be getting rid of lots of books and just reorganizing everything basically there. It's going to be very fun, but also it's a lot. Today is Monday the 24th of May. I am going to be cleaning all day today and then continuing on to Tuesday. Hopefully I can finish on Tuesday. But yeah, let's go. So the first thing I need to do is clean the surface of my desk, just get rid of all this stuff, because then I can use this area to organize other things. And the second thing I need to do is start going through all the sheets that I've got like literally everywhere, and also some in the drawers. These are literally just sheets from like revision notes and just random things that school gave us that I no longer need because I finished my GCSEs. So first thing, actually, do you know what? Let me just get a massive bag to put all the recycling in. Let's go.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
Desk is clean, like the surface, and now for the most difficult part, I'm going to pull out every single sheet and random piece of paper that I have, including exercise books from school, and go through all of them. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but I'm always really worried that I'll like throw away something that I'll for some reason need, even though I won't. Like, why would I need scene summaries from Macbeth ever again? But yeah, I feel like I shouldn't throw them away. No, I need to be tough. I need to just be ruthless. This is not even all of it. Okay, I think I'm gonna have two piles, one throw pile, one keep pile, and then potentially one like storage pile, depending on what I decide to do. Like, what do I do with this? This is like notes from chemistry and they're so good. Oh, these took so long to do, and like, it seems silly to just throw them away. You know what, I need to just throw. We're gonna just throw it. Ah.
Moon is watching shallow dreams. Night is rocking her to sleep.
Okay, so these two bags are absolutely full to the brim with books and sheets. So I'm going to leave these here for now, but I will put these in the recycling. And now we begin the desk. Fun.
Wind whispers in the trees. Hidden secrets are hard to keep. Sunset in golden fields.
So I've just gone through and taken everything out. I'm going to go through and clean all of the shelves and make sure it's like dusted and sprayed down. And then I think what I'm going to do instead is take all of the stationery and put it on the floor, go through what I'm going to keep, and then put everything back in, because I think I kind of want to reorganize a few bits before like just putting them back inside. But it's got to get messy before it can get better, so is really something. No comment. And then we go over here and it's like a nice clean desk. But I've just realised that all the stuff on the walls can actually come down now.
And her dream. Hidden secrets are hard to keep. She's still waiting.
Okay, so I actually decided I'm going to keep this because it took me hours to make. It's very aesthetic and also it's quite useful, but it's not for me though. Because I finished maths and I'm never going to do maths again, but it's for my sisters who I know are only 9 right now, but eventually they'll need it and I just cannot bring myself to throw it away. So I'm going to put it in storage. But look at the blank wall, it kind of looks really bare. I feel like I'm going to have to put something else up here now that those are gone. Okay, I need to put this cleaning on hold because I've got to go somewhere right now, but I will resume afterwards. Hello, so I've just been editing a video for the last kind of hour. I also had dinner. My room is still a mess, like all the stuff I took out of my desk is still down there and my desk is still empty. So I'm going to leave it here for today and pick you back up for tomorrow, day 2 of cleaning. Hello and welcome to day 2 of cleaning my room. It's currently 10:40 and I'm gonna start going through these drawers. Like this is my main goal for today. Basically what I'm gonna do now is get out any stationery I have left in those drawers and bring it down here with all the rest of the stationery from my empty desk. Go through it all, see what doesn't work anymore, get rid of loads of stuff and then put it all back into my desk and organise it. So yeah, let's get into this absolute mess. Okay, so I've just separated out all the pens that still work and the ones that don't are in the bin. Some of those are my mum's or my sister's over there. But these are just like miscellaneous pens. I've got these coloured pens, fine liners, obviously my mild liners, some more random fine liners and just some colouring pencils. These I am going to give to my sisters because they're like watercolour pencils that I'm never going to use. These I think were like a present from someone. Basically it looks like a lot of stationery, but it's actually not. A lot of it was gifts and a lot of it, like for example this is just storage. So I've kind of done the desk now and it's looking quite good. I've got a couple random bits on the floor still, so I'm just going to quickly tidy that up. And then in this drawer I kind of sorted it out. Now all the pens are in here and they're all wrapped around with elastics. They're just really easy to access, and these are just pens which I don't use on a regular basis or any spare pens. So everything's in here. But yeah, I'm going to leave you here for today and pick you up tomorrow for day 3 of cleaning. Good morning. So today I am planning on finishing my desk and drawer things. I know I said that yesterday, but I'm pretty sure that today I'll get them done. I'm going to start going through these one by one, finishing them off, getting rid of anything left on the floor, which I just kind of didn't put away yesterday, and then I should be done for today. But yeah, that's the plan. So first I just went through my flashcards drawer, and this was really difficult because I just didn't want to get rid of them. It took me so long to make, but these are the ones I ended up throwing away. I did keep a few, but then I went through the kind of notebooks drawer and sorted through those. However, it was getting really messy because everything was just in piles all over the place. As you can see though, things started to get really messy because I basically took out everything from the drawers. So I was getting a bit overwhelmed, but I just kept going. A tip would be, once you get really tired, just try not to shove things randomly anywhere, because that's where the mess can really build, and that's not very good.
Moon is watching shallow dreams. Night is rocking her to sleep. Wind whispers in the trees. Hidden secrets are hard to keep.
I am done with the desk area now. My desk is completely clean and all the drawers are clean too, which is great. So that concludes part 1 of this cleaning series. I will be doing part 2, which will be going through all my clothes very soon, hopefully. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.